Hoppin John, a delicious New Year dish and spell to attract money for the coming year. Hello everyone, I'm Marcus from Culinarisch. Hoppin John is a classic New Year's food popular in the south of the US. It signifies a lucky and prosperous year. And these are the ingredients of our luck potion. You have to soak the beans at least 24 hours earlier. I had exactly 100 gram black eye beans at home and didn't bother heading to the supermarket again, but you can double the amount. Right off the bat, cover the beans with water and let it simmer slowly, because it will take quite some time before they cook. Wash and soak the rice. I used 150 gram basmati rice for this recipe. Slice a medium onion. Cutting onion is not difficult if you leave the root end intact. It is also important to place it on the most stable side, first on its half flat side. And as you get to the end, rotate it on the most stable side and slice the rest. Dice a stalk of celery with its youngest leaves. Onion, celery and green bell pepper or Italian pepper are the key vegetables for this dish. I use 6 ribs. Although the green vegetable stands for wealth and fortune, I like to make this dish more vibrant with dicing also red pepper. Get the membrane and the seeds out and dice it. The same goes for the green pepper. To substitute the bacon, I add mushrooms to my vegetarian Hoppin John. And of course, as a mushroom forger, I use the wild mushrooms I have harvested this morning. Oyster mushroom, which grows on trunks of fallen trees, and they are a good source of fiber and protein. And jelly ears or wood ears. You can find this cute fungus on old elder trees. They have a reddish brown hue and a rubbery texture. You can find them in Asian shops dried, with the name mu-air mushrooms. But any mushroom will work. I discard the stalk of the oyster mushroom because they are chewy, but the cap is tender and mild flavored. I chop 2 scallions. Some use it only as garnish, but I prefer to give it a fry with other ingredients. As parsley is my favorite green, I'm going to use a handful of them in this dish. Hopefully more greens, more money in this year. Separate the leaves from the stems and chop the stems for fry. Chop also the leaves, but keep them for garnish. And finally, cut the Persian lime. Let's head to the stove. Add 4 tablespoons vegetable oil to the pan and fry the mushrooms. Then add the rest of the diced vegetables. That is celery, onion, pepper and parsley stems. But not the scallions, leave them for the end. Toss them several times to mix and add 2 tablespoons salt, 2 bay leaves, 2 teaspoons oregano, 2 teaspoons thyme, freshly ground black pepper and a pinch of chili. Add only 300 ml of water to it and get the soaked rice in. Mix well and put the lid on and let the rice steam cook. After 10 minutes, when the water is reduced, add the black eye beans and pour a ladle of its water to the mixture. You see the rice is not swamped. And finally the scallions. This amount is enough for 4 servings. You see how everything is perfectly combined? Time to dish it up. I sprinkle the parsley on top and some drops of lime juice. Really beautiful and fluffy, look at that. The combination of the fluffy rice and the spicy greens with the beans is perfect. It is great to eat a delicious food and earn money, isn't it? So let's all of us make this simple and delicious luck bringer on the New Year's Day. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumb up and subscribe for more. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Happy New Year and thanks for watching.